today's video, we are going to cover interior angles of triangles. Our learning target for today is I can use equations to find missing angle measures of triangles. Looking at interior angles of triangles, we know that the sum of the three interior angles in any triangle will always equal 180 degrees. Now, looking at this in some problems, if I'm given a triangle with expressions as their angle measures, I can figure out what those angle measures are by setting up an equation that is equal to 180 degrees in order to solve for those missing angles. So, if I look at triangle ABC, I have angle A as 5x plus 5, angle B as a right angle, which is 90 degrees, and angle C is 3x plus 5. I can combine all these into one expression and equal it to 180 degrees to get me an equation. So if I do that, I'll have 5x plus 5 plus 90 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 180. Now I can combine my like terms, so I'll combine my 5x and my 3x to be 8x. I'll combine my 5, my 90, and my 5 to be 100. That's equal to 180. Now I'll subtract 100 from both sides. So I'll get 8x is equal to 80. And then I'll divide everything by 8. So x is equal to 10. Now that I have x, I'll take x and plug it back into each expression for each angle to find out my angle measures. So if I'm looking at angle A was 5x plus 5. Instead of 5x, I'll have 5 times 10, and then I'll add my 5, so angle A is 55 degrees. Now angle B is a right angle, that's 90 degrees. And then angle C was 3x plus 5. So instead of x, I'll have 10, so 3 times 10 plus 5, which is 35 degrees. So my three angle measures are angle A is 55 degrees, angle B is 90 degrees, and angle C is 35 degrees. Looking at another example, again, I have three expressions for my angle measures. I want to find angle D, angle E, and angle F. I can create an equation that equals 180 to find the missing angle measures. So 13x minus 3 plus 6x plus 1 plus 68 will equal 180. Now I'll solve this equation by combining like terms, so 13x and 6x will make 19x. Negative 3 plus 1 plus 68 will give me a plus 66. That's equal to 180. I'll subtract 66 from both sides. So 19x will equal 114. Divide everything by 19, and I'll get x is equal to 6. Now that I have 6, I'll plug it back in to each expression for my angles in order to find their measures. So angle D was 13x minus 3. I'll take the x and replace it with 6. So 13 times 6 is 78. 78 minus 3 is 75 degrees. So angle D is 75 degrees. Angle E is 6x plus 1. So 6 times 6 plus 1 will equal 37 degrees. And then angle F was 68 degrees, so I'll have F as 68 degrees. So angle D is 75 degrees, angle E is 37 degrees, and angle F is 68 degrees. Now looking at number 5, I have in triangle JKL, angle K is 3 times the measure of angle J, angle L is 8 times the measure of angle J. Find the measure of each angle in triangle JKL. So notice K is 3 times the measure of J, and L is 8 times the measure of J. So if I have triangle JKL, everything is being modified of angle J. So if I call angle J X, angle K is 3 times J, so that would be 3x. And angle L is 8 times J, so that'd be 8x. And again, if I have a triangle, I know the angle measures add to equal 180. So x plus 3x plus 8x will equal 180, which is 12x. So this triangle, I'll have 12x equals 180. I'll divide everything by 12. So x will be equal to 15. Now if x is 15, angle J was 1x. So angle J is 15 degrees. Angle K was 3x, so 3 times 15 is 45 degrees. And angle L was 8x, so 8 times 15 is 120 degrees. So I have angle J of 15 degrees, angle K of 45 degrees, and angle L of 120 degrees. In today's lesson, we learned the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That's a wrap on today's video. We'll see you in the next one.